समय ज्यादा क्यों लगता है आपको अखबार पढ़ने में? आपको अखबार पढ़ने में ज्यादा समय इसलिए लगता है क्योंकि आप अखबार को याद करने की कोशिश करते हो. There are 1000 facts in the newspaper. You try to remember those facts. Useless. You come across some line which you think is attractive. You think that that line is important. You're trying to remember that line, assuming that you will be able to reproduce that line in your exam. If a question is asked, you'll be able to reproduce that line in your exam. You try to remember those lines, those words, those statistics. Not required, not important, complete waste of your time. Newspaper has to be read. You read newspaper. Nobody in the world, apart from the people who are studying in Rajendra Nagar, nobody in the world is spending this much time in reading newspaper, assuming some people are still reading newspapers. How does a bureaucrat read newspaper? A bureaucrat is not remembering what is written there. A bureaucrat is reading that what is the news item, what is the opinion expressed by somebody. A bureaucrat is reading the newspaper so that a bureaucrat can have an informed opinion of herself or himself. You are reading newspaper with the purpose of remembering what is written there. Do not remember what is written there. There are 1000 things written there. Which is important, which is not important, nobody knows. Simply read it. There are many things in newspaper that you do not yet understand. For example, economics. जब इकोनॉमिक्स पढ़ी नहीं हमने क्लास में, तो इकोनॉमिक्स वाले पोर्शन में जो लिखा आ रहा है, इकोनॉमिक्स के जो आर्टिकल लिखे आ रहे हैं, वो अभी आपको नहीं समझ में आते हैं. Do not, number one, do not skip reading those portions because we have not started, because we have not covered those in class. For the time being, just read them. अपने मन को समझा के पढ़ लो कि भैया समझ में नहीं आ रहा, लेकिन पढ़ना भी जरूरी है, कैसे भी करके पढ़ लो उसको, लेकिन बस पढ़ो और कुछ नहीं करो. Do not need to go on the internet and search for those terms. Do not need to ask some of your friend कि इसका मतलब क्या है, इसका मतलब क्या है, लेकिन बस अभी उसको पढ़ लो. जितना समझ में आता है, 1%, 2%, 5%, जितना आता है, just read those things. Do not need to understand those things. पॉलिटी क्लासेस हुई हैं, पॉलिटी की तो क्लासेस हो गई हैं, लेकिन पॉलिटिकल एस्पेक्ट्स, गवर्नेंस एस्पेक्ट्स, somebody is expressing their opinion, even those aspects you might not be able to comprehend properly. You are reading in the newspaper. अगर अखबार में कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है, do not waste your time in trying to understand what is written in the newspaper. When you are wasting your time in trying to understand, you are punishing yourself. You are punishing yourself for the fault of somebody else. जो ऑथर है उसकी गलती है. सबको मालूम है कि इंडियन एक्सप्रेस और द हिंदू की सेल केवल यहां पे होती है. आपको अपने ऑडियंस के बारे में नहीं पता क्या, कौन आपके ऑडियंस है? कैन यू नॉट राइट इन सिंपलिस्टिक इंग्लिश? व्हाई डू यू नीड टू बी शशि थरूर ऑल द टाइम? You can write in the manner that your audience can understand. If you are not able to write, it is your mistake, not as the author's mistake, not your mistake. Do not punish yourself for their mistakes. If somebody has written some complex, convoluted language, do not need to bother about those things. Read it once. If you are able to get it, fine. If not, assume that you will get it in some time. You will develop maturity of reading newspaper. Do not waste your time in reading newspaper. Do not waste your time in remembering newspaper. Simply read it. Develop a habit of reading it. If you do this, then you will see that you will be able to reduce your newspaper reading time to less than 1 hour. And if you can reduce it to less than 1 hour, that means there is a scope of incorporating a second newspaper as well. Second newspaper क्यों पढ़ना है? Because we need to have a varied opinion about things that are happening around us. Second newspaper पूरा तो नहीं पढ़ना है ना, केवल आपको you have to read only the editorial portion there and economics portion there, because there will be some news that would be there in this second newspaper and some opinion that might be different or on different subjects as what you read in the first newspaper. So from the second newspaper, let's say you are keeping Indian Express as first and you are reading the Hindu as second. So read IE completely, read the Hindu only editorial section and economics section. Read only this part. Economics साथ में IR पढ़ सकते हैं, but yes, IR के अंदर भी चीजें repeat हो चुकी होंगी ज़्यादातर. If you are able to finish one newspaper in around 1 hour, you will be able to finish the second in less than 30 minutes. At max, you shall be able to finish both in less than 2 hours. 2 घंटे आप अपने अखबार के रखो, जिसमें आप 2 अखबार पढ़ सकते हो. For those who are not yet at that level of reducing their newspaper time, you can continue reading only one newspaper, but objective should be to reduce that newspaper reading time. Reduce it so that you can incorporate a second newspaper as well. Again, I will say, I just said that thing. Importance of newspaper is for all your papers, paper 1, 2, 3, 4 plus your GS, your optional paper 2 as well. So do not underestimate the importance of this. जो लोग मेंस लिख रहे होते हैं उनको मैं यही एडवाइस देता हूं कि आप बाकी सब चीज छोड़ दो, आपको कुछ नहीं पढ़ना है, आपको केवल और केवल अखबार पढ़ना है. उनको तो मैं 3 अखबार पढ़ने के लिए बोलता हूं, फिर मेरे को गालियां भी देते हैं वो. Simply write tests and read 3 newspapers. This is what I suggest to people who are writing mains. But yes, you should start the habit of incorporating a second newspaper already in your schedule, in your routine. Reduce the reading time to 1 hour and then you can incorporate the second one as well. Monthly current affairs magazine. पहले मैं फिनिश कर दूं, अभी मोनोलॉग दे रहा हूं. ठीक है. Monthly current affairs magazine, really important source of revising what is there in newspaper. Monthly current affairs, और I'm sure you get daily current affairs as well. Daily मिलता है ना, वो न्यूज़पेपर का सब्स्टिट्यूट नहीं है. YouTube वीडियोस ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर एनालिसिस न्यूज़पेपर का सब्स्टिट्यूट नहीं है. नहीं देखने हैं वो, किसी काम के नहीं है. किसी काम की क्यों नहीं है? आई एम श्योर द ऑथर, द क्रिएटर ऑफ दोज वीडियोस इज पुटिंग लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट and would be explaining things in a good manner. But if you start depending upon that person, I'm sure everybody gets the next point. You have to depend upon yourself. The person might be corrupting your preparation. You will be able to understand for a moment. जिसने वीडियो बनाया है उसने वीडियो बना दिया मान लो ये रशिया यूक्रेन कॉन्फ्लिक्ट के ऊपर, and the person is explaining all the historical aspects of Russia-Ukraine conflict. That is not the point of reading newspaper. Reading newspaper is you get a comprehensive knowledge about all that is happening. You want to study more about Russia-Ukraine conflict, go and study about Russia-Ukraine conflict specifically. But that is not a substitute of newspaper. Newspaper is your primary source. You have to refer to it. There is no substitute for this. Monthly current affairs, daily current affairs, YouTube videos, none of that is a substitute of newspaper. You have read newspapers. You have not remembered the facts there. But when you read newspapers, you will see that facts keep on repeating every second day. 70% of newspaper of today will be common with newspaper of yesterday. You revise what you have read in last 1 month from this. Usually हम 25th के आसपास मंथली करंट अफेयर्स मैगजीन रिलीज करते हैं, एज इन लेट्स ऑन 25th नवंबर. अभी इस महीने की लास्ट मंथ की मिल गई कि नहीं? नहीं, अक्टूबर की नहीं मिली अभी. अराउंड 25th से 1st के बीच में ऑफ नेक्स्ट मंथ वी रिलीज करंट अफेयर्स मैगजीन. सो इन फ्यू डेज यू विल गेट अक्टूबर्स करंट अफेयर. Block 1 hour of time for 5 days every month. 1 hour, 5 days. You will be able to finish monthly current affairs magazine. Again, do not remember what is written here. Do not focus on remembering. Simply read. When you read, many things that you will read, you will be able to recall that I have read this from newspaper and I am recalling it by reading this thing. You have read it once here, you are recalling it from here. Do not remember. Do not try to remember anything. बार बार नहीं पढ़ना है उस चीज को, एक ही बार पढ़ना है. एक बार पढ़ना सफिशिएंट है. आपकी मेमोरी कुछ भी हो, डू नॉट थिंक दैट समबडी हैज टोल्ड यू कि आपकी मेमोरी अच्छी नहीं है, यू आर नॉट एबल टू रिमेंबर थिंग्स. ऑल दोस थिंग्स आर बोगस. रीड इट वंस, नथिंग एल्स. इकोनॉमिक सर्वे क्या है हम बाद में बात करेंगे. इकोनॉमिक सर्वे इज अ डॉक्यूमेंट रिलीज बाय द गवर्नमेंट 1 day बिफोर रिलीज ऑफ बजट. तो फरवरी के महीने में अपने 10 दिन ब्लॉक कर लेना, 10 days फॉर 1 hour ईच, एंड देन यू विल बी एबल टू रीड इकोनॉमिक सर्वे. ठीक है, वो तब की बात है, वो एक बार साल में एक बार रिलीज होता है.